Hi kids! Welcome to Shiny Sun and Minny Moon! Today I'm here with a book, Leo and the Magic Ball. Get cozy, grab your favorite blanket, and open your imagination. Because today's story is about to begin! Let's read together! The snowy afternoon light streamed through the window, casting soft shadows on the wooden floor. Leo, the curious little boy, and his lovely dog Dash were playing their favorite winter game, stacking wheels. Bored of just sitting around, they decided to play something else. Let's play soccer! Leo cheered, bouncing on his toes, ready for action. In search of the soccer ball, he went to the attic room. There he saw a shiny ball in the middle of the room, glowing softly. Tiny sparkles flickered across its surface like trapped fireflies. Leo gasped. "Whoa, where did this come from?" Leo smiled and said, "It's glowing! I think it's magical!" He reached for the shiny ball, his fingers trembling with excitement. As soon as Leo touched it, whoosh! A bright light surrounded him, and suddenly he was floating in space. Stars twinkled all around, and a giant, candy-colored planet appeared before him. With a soft plop, Leo landed on a bouncy pink surface. The air smelled like cotton candy, and the ground felt like a giant marshmallow. "Where am..." Leo wondered aloud. Just then, a little robot dog rolled up to him. "Beep boop! Welcome to Planet Lollipopia!" It welcomed him with a big lollipop. Leo giggled. "Lollipopia? That sounds delicious!" He looked around and saw rivers of bubbling chocolate, mountains made of marshmallow. Floating islands of jelly beans drifted in the sky. Leo and the robot dog, whom he named Robo, explored the planet together. Robo even showed him how to ride a rainbow slide. They bounced on marshmallow hills, slid down a caramel waterfall, and jumped from one floating jelly bean island to another. Suddenly, the ground began to shake. A booming voice echoed through the sky. "Leo! Leo! It's time to wake up!" Leo blinked. The candy planet faded, the robot dog disappeared, and poof! He was back in his attic room, lying on the floor holding his soccer ball. His mom was calling him for dinner. Leo sat up and grinned. "Whoa! What a dream!" With a smile, he whispered, "Maybe I'll visit Planet Lollipopia again tonight." Funny story, right? If you want to read the book by yourself, it is available in Amazon. Do check the links in description for exciting books.